भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की, बोलो भारत माता की.
So on the occasion of this Independence Day, we coastal bikers conducted a small ride. So from here, CPRL to YMCA, but YMCA is too busy. So we will go forward like to Sagar nagar or somewhere. So there we will conduct a meeting for just awareness on to wear helmet or don't drink and drive or like that. So you people know something else, so please convey to others. So this guy, Yosius, he traveled a lot of places. So he will guide us today in this ride. Actually we entered here like YMCA, but there is a lot of people, lot of crowd there. So we will go to Sagar Nagar. Okay, fine. Everyone move in a line. Don't drive, don't race, don't overtake, don't do anything. Just be in a line, move in a slow way. Okay? Okay then.
Party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, slide a dial, laying low, hitting heavy. Hey, take your time, let me know when you're ready. Hey, hey, couple months I've been messing with this steady. Tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Love, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, 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 over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine state, hair curly like a string. Just a big ol' ooh, smile, that's about all you gotta bring. So, enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Slide a dial, lean low, hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Tonight, lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me life to find. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Самолет несет меня, будто в кулаке зажав великан. В иллюминаторе земля.
Happy Independence Day ride, coastal riders. It was lovely riding with you.
So this is our third anniversary. So we have started from 2020, and we have done a ride across Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa, and also we have done long rides from Leh Ladakh to Assam, and so we are planning for more charity rides, wear helmets, like awareness rides, and blood cancer rides, and rides for hospitality and tourism for Andhra Pradesh. Safe ride and happy Independence Day.
Hi, hello, namaste. Happy Independence Day, guys. So this is our ride on the cause of helmet awareness. So we from Coastal Bikers made a ride from Seapearl to this Sagar Nagar. So I wish we'll go to more rides. Best of luck. Bye bye.
Thank you.
So okay, hi guys. So I am from Coastal Bikers. My name is Pramod. So we started this around like 3 years before, and we have done a small rides. Like we gone to Puri, Konark, Odisha ride, and after that I went to Goa, Himachal, and everything. But we have ever done any vlogs till now. We have just started our YouTube channel for this, and this is our first ride to like this Independence Day or anything. This is our first ride. So further we are conducting so many rides. You guys have to attend for that. Okay. So అందరూ అటెండ్ అవ్వాలి. సో రైడ్స్ అయితే ఇలానే కంటిన్యూ అవుతాయి. సో రైడ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు అటెండ్ అవ్వండి. సో ఇది ఈ రోజు అయితే మనం ఇండిపెండెన్స్ డే రైడ్ చేసింది ఒక కాజ్ కోసం. సో అదైతే హెల్మెట్ వేసుకోవాలి ప్రతి ఒక్కరు. బ్యాక్ కి కూర్చున్నా, ఫ్రంట్ కి కూర్చున్నా హెల్మెట్ అయితే ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఎందుకంటే నేను రీసెంట్ గా ఒక యాక్సిడెంట్ చూసా. ఐ హావ్ సీన్ రీసెంట్లీ వన్ యాక్సిడెంట్ విచ్ ఎ ఫిమేల్ రైడర్ who is without a helmet. She is going on the road. She just fell down, and one lorry come and that one gone across on the head of that lady. So because of no helmet, she lose her life. That's the issue. Everyone should wear helmet. Prati okkaru helmet eskoవాలి. Helmet is too important.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down. Enjoy the ride, got some pillows in the Chevy. Hey, hey, it's like a dolly, low hitting heavy. Hey, hey, take your time, let me know when you're ready. Hey, hey, couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Love, give me like the fire. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, yeah, it won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine state, hair curly like a string. Just a big ol' smile, that's about all you gotta